11th-14th eastbound. Oh, really shaking. She was flying.
410, clear 47, east on the main, CSX 7740.
774. Oh, yeah. Very nice power. So we're up here, it's Friday morning, it's August 11th, it's about 9:40. Just gonna take a look from the bridge. Here's a W038, a stone train. It's just been idling here for the entire week. I was here since Monday, usually coming to see it every day. Number 470 idles on the bridge, and these cars are pretty interesting. These orange hoppers. Don't mind my scanner going off here. We'll go on the other side of the bridge. It's a cool view. You can see a lot. A lot of graffiti, sunlight reflecting off of them. Yeah. Some work machines. It's like 20 cars. Skillman sighting. U301 westbound. Dash 8. Never mind, Q191. Q191, I guess, not 301, my bad. Freaking car pulled up, probably asking if I was okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to fit on the bridge, trying to get train shots, buddy. You don't have to interrupt me. I'm good. You know, just that, you know, there's no other place to film when I don't have my tripod. Oh, beautiful Dash 8 leading. Man, look at that train. Q191, beautiful. And we still got W038 parked here. scanner fell off the bridge. So guys, I'm gonna share the most funny thing with you actually right now. I don't know why 410 is going so slow. My camera literally just died. And my scanner fell off the bridge and it's like laying down right next to that puddle. Luckily it didn't fall in the puddle, but I gotta get it, so. This really sucks, but you know, at least it could have been better. Like my camera wouldn't fall off the bridge, so. Don't mind if it shakes, I'm sorry guys. I haven't been having my tripod for the past few days because there's problems with it. Or it's hard to transport it. So, yeah. Actually, this is a good power train right here. Even though it has a GEVO, it's still really interesting. Fuck, I wish I could stabilize this somehow, like seriously. Is this good? No, my phone is literally gonna tip over. Oh, this is so annoying. The wind or something. Yeah, oh, it's actually raining pretty badly. So I wonder if it's gonna rain. Damn it, dude, my camera had a playback error. That's really strange. Wow, dude, you can up this. Someone Jake's side. Someone's with Jake's brain. Anyway, as we speak, this train right now is passing a rail cutter. What the white thing is, and Q410 is passing W038, which is a stone train with these old cool hoppers. And there was a unit parked down there. That's why she blew the horn. I'll try combining my videos. Wow, this train's going pretty slow. Very slow freight. Feels like she's stopping or something. Maybe something broke. Yeah, nope, it's coming to a stop. Feels like it's really coming to a halt. Let's just keep watching. She has a clear signal through milepost 47, which is a road crossing. Yeah, she's going slow. This is pretty odd. I've never seen a train this slow in a while. Oh, I can't leave my phone here and everything. Dude, I can't believe my scanner fell though. That's just really sad, everybody. I'm sorry. I can't believe I didn't catch it in time. It literally just tipped right over. Whoop, down the bridge. Goodbye. Oh, this is a very interesting center beam right here. Look at this, guys. It's like a depressed flat car with center beams stuff on it. Very interesting freight car. Yeah, so this is just slowly going past milepost 46, Skillman. Here's another view of the car. I don't know if you guys can see this clear signal over there, no? Yeah, I literally have to record with my phone. So tell me if the quality is better than my other cameras, because it actually kind of may be. It's cool seeing all the little drips of the rain. Very slow 410. Interesting. She's a pretty long train. I see trash coming in the distance. But it also feels like she's stopping as well. So let's just keep watching. Q410. So weird. This thing might jolt the knuckles, so don't be afraid. Hold your phone tight so I don't drop it. It's like literally the slowest train I've seen there at all. If this thing derails, it's getting off the street. Dude, I'm scared actually. It's possible. Oh, look at that deer. Just staring at me in the distance. Long load of trash. Trash cars. Pretty much common too. Here, I'll keep recording the train, guys. I need to get my scanner because in the first part it fell off the bridge. So now we're on a mission to get my scanner. But I'll wait till this massive freight ends. Because I'm not going down the bridge when the freight is here. Yeah, here it is, slowly accelerating its way. And I'll try and show you my scanner. Ugh. Sorry about the quality too. The quality is kind of... Oh, there she is. That black thing right there. I know you guys might not see it, but the black thing right there. Yep. Fell off. People have lost stuff here before. Oh, she isn't through the signal even yet. It's a really long train. I'm actually kind of freaking out right now. Like, if this thing derails, maybe that's why it's going slow, because it derailed. If I'm under this bridge, dude, I'm getting back up. I'm getting back up. I just gotta not fall while I'm moving next to this massive freight train. Alright, we're back up. There's like a layer and then there's another layer. Oh, well, that's a lot of fucking garbage. There's like at least 30 or 40 of these cars. Here's a top view for everybody. Very long freight. Going so slow. I really don't understand why it's going so slow. I don't get it. It's still not even through the signal yet. Really slow train. Yeah, garbage still in the distance, and it's raining, but I'm staying out here for 410. Not leaving yet. Till it ends. Very slow freight. Not gonna lie, everybody. Very slow. Let's hope I literally don't run out of storage, because I already have a ton of videos saved on here. Check. I really don't know why this is actually going so slow. Oh, I think I see the end now, unless it's just more cars. No, here's the end. Dude, it's starting to pour out here. It's not even through the signal yet. It's still green, I see it. Dude, oh my god. So much trash though, seriously. Where's all this trash going? Probably to New York. No, this is a Selkirk bound train, so. And I don't do much narration in my videos, so don't mind me talking. Yep, now I know it still hasn't knocked it down yet. I'm watching the other side. Until we get to the end here. Yep, now it just passed milepost 47. And milepost 46 is actually just like right here. There should be a sign. Yeah, just down there if you guys might not see it. Yeah, that like whitish thing over there, yeah, that's the sign. So she's still flying by. Yep, I see the end. The end is slowly coming to 410. Slowest train I've caught this year so far. I wonder why it's going so slow. It really interests me why it's going so slow. This last time this thing was going like 60 miles an hour. This is like my third Q410 this week. I've been seeing this train so much more often now. I love it. Here. They have hatches on the roof too. Guys, it's actually really starting to pour right now. But I'll stay here till the end because that's how I am. Very slow Q410. But I'm enjoying it. And at least my scanners are getting wet down there. Because it's underneath the bridge. Please say the symbol. Ooh, UP! UP! Yay! $39.52. $44.32. Slow. This is probably Q300, I'm guessing. I have no idea. Really slow freight. I don't know why they're always going so slow now. Well, beautiful power, I have to say. Beautiful power going on that train right there. Yep, probably 300. Could be coming to a stop. I don't know. Oh, tagged in every car. Nice job. Wow, look at that. There's graffiti tags on like every single one of these trash bins. Looks like this guy had an interesting time tagging. What the frick? There's the end. There's the end of this freight. How short is this, dude? No, this is like the shortest thing ever. Well, I'm probably not gonna see anything after this, so. I literally don't know what I've just caught. Well, there's the end. Maybe someone's coming after. Rip, there it goes. Dude, I could literally like just paste that thing. Quality fail. Wow, look how slow that is going.